Welcome everybody in Dying Light the Beast game. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to customize the subtitles in this game, so enjoy watching! So at first you have to open the settings. To do it, press the O button on your keyboard or move your mouse over here and press options. Now move to the accessibility settings, and in here we have a few options for subtitles. To customize, you have to obviously switch on the subtitles. If you want to completely switch it off, then use this toggle. To customize your subtitles, you have to use these 3 or 4 options. Well, the first one is obviously the size, so it defines how large the subtitles will be displayed. So you can choose small, medium or large. I like to use a medium size. The color, white is good, cyan, yellow, red is also available for you, but let's stick with white. Subtitles, speaker color, so it will show the speaker's name when subtitles are displayed. It is very helpful, and I like to switch it to red because I don't know, I'm used to it. Subtitles background color, so transparent, black or nothing else, so you have only transparent or black option over here, and it chooses the color of the background when subtitles are displayed. And this is all the settings that you can choose for your subtitles. Hope you adjust it to your own preferences, and it makes your game much better while playing. That would be all for this video. Leave a like, comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos from Dying Light the Beast. Goodbye!